Welcome fellow car lovers. Kia and Hyundai are basically the same company, but it doesn't mean that their cars are totally identical. So let's go see if a smaller Hyundai 3-row SUV is better than a bigger Kia SUV. I am talking about the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and the 2024 Kia Telluride. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe, like the video and hit that bell icon. Now, let's start with the video. If you can't already tell just by looking, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe is a vastly different SUV from last year's model. The dramatic transformation results from both an all-new interior and reimagined exterior design. The Santa Fe's wheelbase has been extended, and now that it has 3 rows of seating. Kia says they've made some minor exterior tweaks on the Telluride for 2024, but you'd be hard-pressed to clock them. All models now come with amber-colored daytime running lights, and X-Line and X-Pro models get glossy black exterior trim in place of last year's dark metallic highlights. The Santa Fe gets a 2.5-liter turbo inline-4 as standard that outputs 277 horsepower and is connected to either the front wheels or all with an all-wheel drive configuration. Same goes for a 1.6-liter turbo inline-4 hybrid producing 231 horsepower that is also available. The maximum towing capacity of these engine is 4,500 pounds, while the combined MPG rating is 22 to 36 miles to the gallon. MSRP starts at $33,950 to $47,000. The Telluride also gets only one engine option, but this time, it's a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 that outputs 291 horsepower and has a towing capacity of 5,500 pounds. Its combined MPG rating is 24 for its standard front-wheel drive and 26 for all-wheel drive. MSRP starts at $36,190 to $53,385. The 2024 Santa Fe has many pros when compared to the Telluride. For one, the SUV is available with a UVC sanitizer compartment meant to sanitize anything you put in the compartment. There's also a rear seat quiet mode that focuses all stereo sound to the front passenger and a hybrid engine. All which are not available in the Telluride. However, there are still some cons. The Santa Fe, unlike the Telluride with its bigger V6 engine, has less towing power and does not come with Wi-Fi hotspot as standard. The maximum amount of passenger that can be seated is also only 7, while the Telluride can fit 8 passengers. The Telluride also has many positive attributes. For one, the Telluride has an overall bigger and more premium interior. Unlike the Santa Fe, the Telluride also has an available ventilated rear seats. Lastly, the car comes with standard remote start and synthetic leather seats unlike the Santa Fe. Nevertheless, the Telluride is also not perfect. It has less front legroom in comparison to the Santa Fe, and it has a higher starting price than the Santa Fe. However, even with a higher price, it is still unavailable with Safe Exit Assist, which is available for the Santa Fe that helps passenger monitor incoming traffic when exiting. In summary, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe is a great choice for drivers who value bold design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly powertrains. Its compact size makes it perfect for urban driving, and its hybrid option offers significant benefits in terms of fuel efficiency and environment impact. The 2024 Kia Telluride is the better option for those who need more space, seating capacity, and a luxurious, comfortable ride. It's perfect for larger families and those who prioritize a premium feel and the ability to handle various driving conditions, including off-road. Which do you think is a better vehicle to buy? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.